Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which countertop dishwasher to buy today. Don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. A countertop dishwasher is an automatic cleaning machine that provides convenience and portability. Compared to larger built-in models, you can easily place it on the worktop and the cabinet, making it a perfect solution for a small kitchen. In this video, we hope to help you decide which countertop dishwasher is the perfect choice to make your cleaning routine easier. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The countertop dishwashers that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The countertop dishwasher coming in at number 5 on our list is the NOVETE Compact Dishwasher. With the NOVETE Compact Dishwasher, dishwashing has never been more effortless. It measures just over 18 inches tall, but it boasts a large capacity double-layer design, allowing up to 12 inches of dishes loaded at an angle. Our team commends its LED touch panel control, which clearly exhibits the dishwasher's status. We felt that the built-in LED lamp is a useful feature if you wish to watch the cycle through the door. It also has an automatic water level indicator to determine if the water level is reached. The countertop dishwasher enables 2 water supply modes, such as the faucet mode and the water tank mode. To use the faucet mode, you can easily connect the water hose to the machine and the faucet. In case there is no water faucet available, its built-in 5-litre water tank can release a sufficient amount of water for instant use. The dishwasher has 5 wash cycles, and these are normal, speed, eco, baby care or heavy and fruit. As part of our trial highlights, the baby care mode made it easy for us to clean baby products and oily tableware. This mode is suitable for busy parents with a newborn baby or toddlers to tend to. Another highlight which makes this dishwasher land on our list is its dry mode. It provides 60 minutes of hot air drying after the wash cycle, which ensures the dishes are dry. It even features 72 hours of automatic ventilation to make a sanitary condition for the dishware. Our team commends the NOVETE Compact Dishwasher for the various upgraded features it has that no other countertop dishwasher offers, such as baby care mode, complete accessories, and proper ventilation. If you want a dishwasher that supports a deep cleaning effect in a speedy manner, then this one is the one for you. The countertop dishwasher coming in at number 4 on our list is the Magic Chef 6-place setting countertop dishwasher. Are you tired of having soggy hands and experiencing terrible back pain when it comes to doing the dishes? If you are, then let the Magic Chef 6-place setting countertop dishwasher do the cleaning wonders in the kitchen for you. The Magic Chef countertop dishwasher measures almost 22 inches wide, which can easily fit and store numerous tableware inside, just like the fixed full dishwasher. It provides an efficient cleaning system which our team highly appreciates. Just by rotating the program knob of this dishwasher, you can easily choose from the 5 wash cycle options, from intense wash to rinse only. Our team found its 24-hour delay wash option to be useful for situations wherein a delay start of rinsing the dishes is desirable. Although the Magic Chef countertop dishwasher is among the widest countertop models, it produced a minimal sound at only 52 decibels compared to the majority of the other brands with decibel levels of 60 or higher. In addition, the control panel with a digital display is user-friendly since it makes use of icons instead of words. Our team applauds the anti-flood mechanism of the dishwasher to prevent unwanted bursts of water in the kitchen. It also features a residual drying system, which is one of the best drying techniques since it avoids the usage of outdoor air to promote hygiene. The Magic Chef 6-place setting countertop dishwasher provides the convenience of the typical large dishwasher whilst minimizing noise. This is the best unit for you if you're sensitive to loud noises of a full-size dishwasher. Add this to your cart and watch the magic unfold in your kitchen. The countertop dishwasher coming in at number 3 on our list is the Kapas dishwasher. If you ever find yourself wishing to have one less chore to do on a daily basis, then it's time to purchase the Kapas dishwasher and let it become your ultimate lifesaver. The dishwasher can easily fit under the kitchen cabinet due to its portable size. It is ideal for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats and campers or RVs. Despite its compact design, it offers convenience since it can fit various dishes up to 12 inches in diameter at an angle. Our team did a trial run on the multi-washing programs of the dishwasher, such as the Standard, Quick, Strong, Eco, Fruit and Dry. We were able to achieve a successful outcome with the 6 wash programs in that the dishes were rinsed thoroughly and streak-free. In addition, the dishwasher boasts an LED digital control panel that displays a clear view of the wash controls. It even has an automatic water level indicator that informs you when the correct water level has been reached. It is equipped with a 5-litre built-in tank, which you can easily use when filled in any location. You can also opt to use the water hose with an adapter by simply connecting it to the faucet. The dishwasher is also compatible with detergents in different forms such as pods, liquids or powder, which our team regards as an advantage compared to the other dishwashers. Do note though that it is best to use detergent tablets when running long cycles so that the tablets have a chance to fully dissolve. Our team believes that the Kapas dishwasher is a unit that is ready for use out of the box. If you're looking for a portable and highly functional dishwasher, then your search is over. The Kapas dishwasher is the one for you among all other choices. The countertop dishwasher coming in at number 2 on our list is the Danby portable dishwasher. Make your dishes come out sparkling clean with the Danby portable dishwasher. It has a compact design that is ideal for a kitchen with limited space. It is compatible with most kitchen faucets due to its quick connect feature. Our team emphasizes the energy efficient components of this dishwasher as its competitive edge compared to the other models. The feature also results in low water consumption of up to 3.1 gallons of water, which helps cut down utility expenses. This 6-place setting capacity dishwasher boasts a roomy and an organized interior arrangement with a silverware basket and durable stainless steel interior. These materials make this appliance to be easy to clean. Our team easily operated the dishwasher with its 6 convenient wash cycles, such as intensive, normal, economy, rapid, glass, and soak. Just by programming it with its LED display, the quiet operation of the dishwasher was a success at only 52 decibels. Upon our trial, we observed that its new and improved spray arm and filter made the dishes cleaner. The Danby portable dishwasher has an auto detergent and rinse agent dispenser for your convenience. You can also utilize the delay start feature to begin the cycle according to your desired schedule. The Danby portable dishwasher is an ultra-quiet dishwasher unit designed to suit a small-sized family's needs. It is best known for its simple and quick installation, as it can be easily attached to the majority of the kitchen's faucets. If portability is what you're looking for, then this is the best choice for you. And finally, we come to the number 1 countertop dishwasher on our list, the Farberware Complete Portable Countertop Dishwasher. The Farberware Complete Portable Countertop Dishwasher is the top leading unit on our list. At just over 16 inches wide, it has the smallest footprint on our selected models, making it ideal for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats and campers or RVs. The pull-out dish rack and cutlery rack offer a generous storage space that can fit a variety of dishes up to 12 inches in diameter at an angle. Like other models, this compact machine comes with an easy-to-connect hose that are compatible with most kitchen faucets. What makes it stand out from the rest is its built-in 5-litre water tank, which allows the dishwasher to operate without needing a water hookup. Our team believes that you can achieve excellent cleaning results with this countertop-sized dishwasher as if it was performed by a full-size dishwasher. We tested its 5 washing programs such as normal, rapid, fruit wash, baby care, and glass to determine how the dishwasher works in different conditions. We concluded that the dishwasher's lower and upper spray arms make a streak-free deep cleaning in all of the aforementioned programs. We consider steam generation as its focal point of the dishwasher's operation, since it is the only unit from our picks that can sanitize baby items. The dishwasher also boasts a rapid wash cycle, which can complete the cleanup of items in less than an hour. Its air exchange function is used to ensure that the dishes are completely dry and odorless. The dishwasher is equipped with LED digital controls that provide a clear picture view of the wash controls. It even has an automatic water level indicator that determines if the correct water level has been reached. Pods, liquids, and powdered detergents are compatible with this dishwasher, but we recommend that you use only detergent tablets for long cycles so that the tablets have a chance to fully dissolve. The Farberware Complete Portable Countertop Dishwasher has been issued with a quality control note, ensuring that it functions smoothly without any issue. It is the perfect choice to have sparkling clean finish without leaving any streak to your dishes. And there you have it, folks, the 5 countertop dishwashers which got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next countertop dishwasher roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.